Hey guys, Dirk and Kim here at Aussie Powersports. Today is a really exciting day because Aussie Powersports is announcing that we are distributing the Seizmik range of products throughout our dealership network in Australia. For those of you who don't know what Seizmik is, they are a premium supplier of UTV accessories, and they make everything from really premium, beautiful mirrors right through to gun carriers and all sorts of accessories for the product range. So we're super excited about bringing this brand on board, and we've chosen each one of our favourite products that we're going to just run through quickly and give you an overview of what the Seizmik range is and what accessories you can get for your UTV. So Kim, why don't you tell us about the product that you've chosen today from the Seizmik range?
Well, the product that I have chosen is the UTV lighted rear view mirror. And the reason I like this accessory the most is because, one, for any purpose, anytime after purchasing this, it is 100% lifetime mirror warranty. So that is just a really good peace of mind when you're purchasing something like this. It also has high and low intensity functional map lighting. And not only is it only map lighting, there is also high and low intensity RGB lights. So if you're in your vehicle and you're hunting and you want to go low key, you're going to be running with your red and green lights on. But if you just want to be accent lighting, you can roll with all of them all at once on high or low intensity lighting. It also has a solid aluminium cast framework, so it's lightweight and durable. It's designed to fit in and look good with all the Seizmik side mirrors as well, so it'll keep you looking good and looking good.
Yeah, I agree. I think that this is just an awesome product. The main feature I like about it is the LED light. So if you ever jump in your UTV at night, you can't see what's going on, you can just flick the button, light comes on, illuminates your interior. So absolutely awesome product, and you're right, they are really, really good looking. The one that I've chosen is a little bit more blokey, a little bit tougher. So I've chosen the ICOS 2 AR gun holder. Now obviously in Australia we don't have AR guns, but this gun holder is super versatile and flexible piece of gear. So it's basically made out of a really flexible and durable proprietary Seizmik material, and it's designed to go basically into any UTV or side-by-side. Really easy, simple mount in, seatbelt through, and you can secure 2 long rifles. There's 2 models of this. This one, the AR2, has some extra scallops taken out of this section to fit your magazines, or if you've got a deeper magazine or a deeper stock within your rifle. So I think that this is just a really great product. It's my favourite. You can also take it out, sit it on the front of your UTV and use it as a rifle holder for sighting in. So really great product, in stock now. Look guys, if you want to get any more information on Seizmik products or any other products, call the team at Aussie Powersports, jump online, www.aussiepowersports.com.au, or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and YouTube. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.